guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be trying out for the first time the new Benefit BADGAL mascara. I'm very excited about trying it out because the whole concept of this mascara and the whole launch and everything was about space and galaxies and stuff out of this world, and I'm very interested in those kind of stuff. So I was talking with the girls from Benefit in Greece and they were like, we're launching something very exciting, we're coming up with a very exciting product. And I was like, what it is? And they were like, we can't tell you. And I was like, come on, just tell me, I'm very curious, just let me know what it is. And they were like, no. They're very cute, but I was just very curious to know what it is. And when I found out that it was mascara, I was like, this sounds like something that I'm very interested in trying out because I love mascara, and mascara is one of the most important steps in my makeup routine. No matter what look I'm doing, I'm adding mascara. So anyway, on the packaging it says that it can last up to 36 hours. 36 hours are a lot of hours to stay in your makeup. It also says that it's intense pitch black, it has provitamin B5 known to fuel thickness and strength. It says that it's smudge proof and flake proof and also water resistant. So these are all good stuff, and this is how the packaging looks, like super duper interesting. I feel like this is one of those products that will grab my attention if I'm browsing some kind of a makeup store. It looks very unusual and I love it when brands are getting a little bit more creative with their packagings. So let's see the wand. Oh, this is how it looks. So you see that it's kind of thin at the end and it's getting thicker at the base. It's also one of those silicone wands, and to be honest with you, I prefer silicone wands. I don't know, I just feel like they work better for me. On the paper that they had in the box, it also says that it's a very lightweight formula which creates a massive volume without weighing down your lashes, it sounds good to me because my lashes can't hold a curl, because I can curl them and after half an hour they're all flat and straight. The way that they say to use it is gently wiggle wand from the base of the lashes to the tip. Repeat to build volume. Okay, without losing any time, let's go ahead and try it out because this is something that I've been waiting for way too long. Alright, so I took you guys a little bit closer so that you can have a better view of what I'm doing. Now, before I apply the mascara on my lashes, what I like to do with almost all of my mascaras is I'm taking a clean tissue and I'm gonna place the wand here and I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, now a big issue that I have with mascaras is that most of the brands put too much product on the wands and it can get very messy. So this one has this amount of product on it, which for me is a little bit too much. It can be a disaster if you add too much mascara on your lashes. And before you write a comment that this is a total waste of product, let me tell you, I agree with you. But if you want to save some product, a better thing to do is to kind of clean up the wand on the tube here. And the next time that you put the wand inside, you're actually going to get all of this product back in the tube again, which is a better thing to do than wipe it off on a tissue. And I'm doing this trick with all of my mascaras. It has helped me a lot because the less product, the more control you have over your mascara. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes just on the right eye so we can try the mascara on curled lashes and on lashes that are naturally flat. These are the lashes that I wake up with. Now that I have less product on the wand, I'm gonna place the wand at the roots of my lashes, wiggle, and coat the rest. Okay, so before that first layer dries out, this is how it is, this is how it looks. I'm gonna dip the wand again, clean it up very quickly, and apply a second layer. Okay, and this is how my lashes look after the second layer. This is 2 coats of the mascara, and again I cleaned up the wand because I felt like it had too much product on it. I think that it's not bad. It made my lashes look a lot fuller, and honestly you guys, it's a very nice black color. This is very intense black color. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Again, I'm starting off from the roots, wiggling and coating the rest of my lashes. Oh no, I got some on my nose as well. Okay, that looks pretty good. This is the first coat, and now I'm gonna dip again the wand, clean it up, and coat them with the second layer. It's drying out pretty quickly, which is good. Wow, my lashes look really black. Or let me clean my nose a little bit here. I kind of messed it up. Alright, so this is how my lashes look after 2 coats of the mascara. I curled the lashes on my right eye, and on my left eye I didn't do anything to them. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Let me see if I can see any difference. I can't like really see some crazy difference. This is a very black mascara. I don't know if you guys can tell through the camera, but this is a very intense black color. I like the fact that my lashes look lifted. They're not like pointing straight there, you know, nice and curled up. Even though I didn't curl the lashes on my left eye, you can't really tell any difference. So if you're someone that doesn't really like curling your lashes, I think that you might like this mascara. I like the mascara, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think that it made my lashes look beautiful. But there are some things that I've noticed, and I want to be like 100% honest with you guys and share my thoughts on it. So the first and the main thing that I was not like really excited about is that, again, the wand had too much product on it. If you have a wand that grabs so much mascara, your lashes can look clumpy, they can stack together, they're not gonna look like very nice and fluffy and separated, and it's just not gonna show its full potential. And this mascara can be really good, but it's just the wand is grabbing quite a lot of product. And also something else that I noticed is that the wand is very flexible. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's not like very stable. And if you're someone who likes using like lots of pressure when you're coating your lashes, this can make it a little bit more difficult for you to apply your mascara. This is very common with the silicone wands, but that's not something that I absolutely hate. It's not also something that I absolutely love. I'm in the middle. I don't really mind it, you know. But I've noticed those two things about the wand, and I really wanted to share them with you guys because I don't wanna hide things from you. If you're about to get this mascara, it's good to know those things. These are the only two, I don't want to call them issues, but if the mascara is like really good and it makes you happy and it makes your lashes happy, I think that you can let those things kind of pass, because as I said, they're not really issues if you can fix them. But look at my lashes, you guys. They look so long. I feel like I've never had that long lashes in my life with just mascara. I think that it made my lashes look long and thick and lifted, and I don't want to come to a really quick conclusions because I want to know how it will look throughout the day. But so far, if I had to rate the mascara, it's gonna be a 9 for me. That's from 1 to 10. 9 is a really good score. So let's see how it will look after a couple of hours. Alright guys, so it's been 7 hours since I put my mascara on. It's been a while. My concealer is creasing and I'm super greasy, but the mascara looks really good. I'm gonna come back to you guys in about 2 or 3 hours to see how the mascara will look, but so far it's looking pretty good. Alright, it's been 9 hours, you guys. It's been such a long day for me, but I'm gonna go now and take off this makeup and try to post this video as soon as I can for you guys. But 9 hours, this mascara is doing pretty good. Now here's the thing, usually my mascara smudges in this area right here, because you know, when I'm looking up, my lashes are touching my skin and it's smudging here. But as you can tell, this one didn't smudge at all, and it's been 9 hours. It's holding up pretty good, and my lashes look as good as 9 hours ago. They're still curled, they're still lifted, and they look pretty good. The only tip that I can give you with this mascara is be careful with the wand. This is the only thing that I find not good about this mascara. The wand, in my opinion, is grabbing a little bit too much product. So if you want to get the best of it, clean it up on the tube as you saw that I did, or wipe it off on a tissue or something, and I think that way you're gonna get the best results from this mascara. This is my tip for you, and it's not just about this mascara. Try this trick with any mascara that you have. I've also shared this trick with you guys in one other video. You said that it was very helpful. I also shared this tip with my friends and they were like, oh my god, this is game changing. It's just very common. I don't know, it's the tube that it doesn't like clean very well the brush, or I don't know what it is, but it's very common. It's not just that mascara, it's many other mascaras. So other than that, I think that the mascara is pretty good because first of all, it didn't smudge, it didn't move, it stayed in place for the entire day, it's nice and black, which for me is also very important, and it's keeping my lashes nice and curled the entire day. So that's pretty much enough for me to say that it's good, you know. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!